This is another recipe I used to make all the time when I first started learning how to cook. They're super easy to make. My mom used to make these for us for dinner all the time. Start by cutting a bunch of jalapenos in half and then scooping out the inside, filling it with a little bit of whipped cream cheese, and then I always like to season them at this point. The Spicy Dan-O's really does go so good on jalapeno poppers. It adds just a little more flavor, so I add a good amount of that on there, and then some Mexican blend cheese, some bacon bits, and then pop in the oven for 20 minutes at 400 degrees. I like to dip mine in a little bit of ranch. They are so good. If you guys try them, let me know what you think.